Welcome. If you want to activate the developer options in your Sharp Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch, at the first we have to grab your remote controller and then we have to move for the right upper corner to enter the settings. So let's use arrows, then click settings, buy OK, move to the device preferences. Right now we have to enter about, and then just scroll down for the build and then just start tapping on the OK button. And as you can see, right now we are in the developer options, so when we go back, we can simply click here and then we can change other settings. For example, we can change window animation scale, and then we can just simply go back. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.